Thinking 5 years ahead? I don't even know what I want for dinner. But for your agency, a 5-year business plan is like setting your DeLorean's destination. Because without one, you're not guessing, you're gambling, hoping that you don't end up in 1955. But David, where do I start, you might be asking? Let's get this baby up to 88 miles per hour and break it down into 4 key steps. Plus, show you where to get a free 5-year business plan template. Step 1. Define your mission and vision. Your mission statement is your agency's foundation. Why you exist, who you serve, and what makes you different. Your vision statement is also your future. Where do you want your agency to be in 5 years?
I would say for someone starting a business, make sure you have a vision for the business, you have a mission, something that the employees can get behind and believe in, and then have those values of ways that people should carry themselves.
Think of it like setting your time circuits. If you don't pick the right destination, you won't end up where you want to be. And trust me, you don't want to look like you're still stuck in 1985. Today. Step 2. Conduct market research and a SWOT analysis. A good plan isn't built on assumptions, it's built on data. Conduct a SWOT analysis by researching your industry, your competitors, and the trends shaping the market.
We really keep our pipeline full by treating ourselves like one of our clients. So we do strategizing to figure out what services are providing the best return. In our situation, SEO is king.
This is your agency's sports almanac, except you're not betting on the future, you're planning for it. With this data in tow, you're positioned to make strategic moves instead of reactive ones. Step 3. Draw a financial forecast. A 5-year plan without financials? That's just a wish list. Set revenue targets and keep them realistic, not just numbers that sound good. Do your best to realistically project expenses so you're not caught off guard. And most importantly, plan for cash flow. Even the most successful agencies struggle if money isn't flowing in the right direction.
Profit minus revenue equals what you've got to spend on expenses. So you work out your profit first and you put money aside in the bank to deal with that.
Otherwise, it's like running your agency with an empty flux capacitor. You're not going anywhere. Step 4. Set milestones and key metrics. How do you know if you're on track? You measure it. Set clear goals and KPIs like revenue growth, client acquisition, or expanding into new services. Then track your progress. If something's not working, pivot early instead of realizing too late.
If you're not moving forward, you're dying, right? So that's just it. Never, don't settle, right? You got to, again, you don't have to be moving forward in big bounds as long as you are always moving forward.
It's like Doc Brown's timeline sketches. If you veer off course, you risk creating an alternate reality where your agency isn't where it should be. Growth doesn't happen by accident. It happens by design. And that's exactly what a 5-year plan does for you. Even Doc Brown had a blueprint for the DeLorean. Don't wonder what your next 5 years will look like. Plan for it. Found these 4 steps helpful? There are 3 more key steps plus a free 5-year business plan template on our blog. The link is in the description below. And sign up for a free trial of AgencyAnalytics today.